Alright, today we're going to show you how to change out a GE DS65 meter, an old antiquated meter, with a new IN meter, IN 8650 from Schneider, using a SUSI adapter. It all comes pre-wired and installed. First of all, remove the cover by taking unloosen the four thumb screws. So on the other side, you won't need that. Remove the paddle. That'll short the CTs. You don't need to rewire or shut any power off. Then unlatch it at the top and the bottom to pull the old meter out. Throw that away. You won't need that again. Then, first thing you do after that is you gotta put this collar on so that you can fit the cover over top of that. So you got to secure that. This is probably takes as much time to do this as the rest of it put together. All four corners. Alright. One more. Then just go around and tighten it all down. Okay. Now, you have the collar on securely. Then you can slide the new IN 8650 meter. Make sure it's unlatched, so it slides in nicely. Latch it at the top and the bottom. Plug the paddle in to energize the meter. Okay, then next you put the original IN cover over. Just secure it in place. Like that, and then now you have an IN 8650 where there used to be a DS65 from GE.